Grade 7. Today is our third quarter in week 1 in computer. In this unit 3, you'll be able to discover the features and functions of the MS Excel interface and also to understand how to solve compatibility problems with MS Excel old versions, and also to utilize MS Excel tools in creating worksheets, and to discover page break preview to print a worksheets. It's also organized cells using fill colors, merge, and center text wrap in other format cell tools. This objective, we have to master data reading and data entry in the worksheets, to sort data and to analyze data, and to use fill handle to fill data. Those formula for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, rounding off, and averaging numbers is included of the objectives in working with the Microsoft Excel. Again, my name is Mr. Rinaldo B. Malimban. So for our third quarter first week in eClass online learning platform, today in our lesson we speak about the exploring Microsoft Excel. Exploring Microsoft Excel. This Excel is a spreadsheet. It is a software program that enables you to manipulate numbers and formulas to quickly perform mathematical, financials, and statistical computations. It allows user to electronically create large spreadsheets and charts to perform calculations and organize data. In the MS Excel interface, we open an old MS Excel file in the Microsoft Excel 2010. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet. This program will prompt you to change will be performed to make it compatible. If you accept the change, the program will run and new features can be applied. On the other hand, the latest versions of MS Excel has the following improved features. So it is a software program that enables to manipulate numbers and formulas. It allows user to electronically create large spreadsheets and charts. So this is the example of the MS Excel compatible mode. We have the title bar, the menu bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, formula bar, column header, active cell indicator, row header. So last time in the second quarter, we discussed this about the Microsoft Excel. Next is the MS Excel compatibility mode. The user interface of MS Excel is almost the same as the tab-driven system of MS Word. It is also in graphical control system where all toolbars are placed on the several tabs. This interface of MS Excel look like this. How to write formulas to perform calculations of the given data. Builds model for analyzing data. Present data in a variety of professional looking charts. And what are the parts of the MS Excel 2010 interface? The first one is the quick access toolbar. It will display frequently used commands. By the default, you can customize this toolbar and add all the commands you need to access. It will be served as a shortcuts to different commands. Second is the ribbon. This is the default tabs displayed once you are open to the MS Excel program. The third one is cell. Cell is the box in which you enter your spreadsheet data. There are 17 billion cells in each worksheet. 4 is rows. It is a horizontal line of cells. Each row has number that identifies it. MS Excel has 1 through 1,048,576 rows, or 1,048,576 rows. So that is the rows of comes from the horizontal lines in the cells. Next is the columns. It is a vertical line of cells. Why? Because it is composed of the column letter. It roll number enter 6 rather to determine its own address. So these cells of the capability of this another column by the vertical line of cells. Each column has a letter identifies it. MS Excel has 16,384 columns. So that is the maximum of MS Excel. It holds letter A through XFD. So that is particularly in the columns. Next is a cell address. A cell address, it is composed of the column letter and the row number enter 16 to determine its own address. Why? Because this cell's address can be found in the name box. Name box is above the column A. Next is the range. If you notice, this range is the range of address is given by the address of the top left cells and the address of bottom right cells. Example, I 1 common semicolon 115. So that is the range. It is a rectangular grouping of 2 or more than cells. So this range address given by the address of the top left. Next is the scroll bar. The bar used to scroll around the workbook. A workbook contains 2 horizontal and vertical scroll bars. And this is the example of the picture of the workbooks and worksheets. An MS Excel file is called the workbook. Each workbook contains 1 or more worksheets. Worksheets are in the tab form. By the default, it is name of sheets 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. A selected worksheet is an active worksheet. A worksheet can be inserted, deleted, renamed, moved, copied, reordered, protected, and colored. Several sheets can be used in one project. It can be contained in one file. So you can also use one sheet for all your projects if you perform. Now, what difference between the workbook and the worksheets Excel? In the workbook, each new workbook comes with 3. And the worksheets is like page in the document. Again, worksheets are divided into columns, rows, and cells. The grid seen when a workbook is opened. Worksheets are often referred to as spreadsheets. Now, let's move on from another course in the tab ribbons. This ribbons MS Excel has the same tab ribbons like all the MS Office applications. So that is particularly the example of the feature. So we have the File tab. It is used to manage file. The Home tab. This tab holds and contains the most common tools. Third one is Insert. This Insert tab, it's used to insert objects. Page Layout tab. It is used for customizing the layout of the workbook before printing. Formulas tab. It is used to apply computation in the different categories. Data tab. It is used to work on the different data that can be synced with MS Excel. Review tab is used to check the spelling, protection, and sharing of files. And the last is the View. This View tab used to modify how Excel can be viewed on screen. Now let's move on from another part of the MS Excel. File tab or backstage view. Okay. The File tab contains save as Adobe PDF, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save, and send. Help, word options, and exit commands. It is a backstage view that shows options for saving, opening a file, printing, and sharing your documents. Next is the Home tab. So this Home tab includes basic spreadsheets, formatting elements such as a text wrap, merging cells, and the cell style. It is the most used tab. It contains the clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and the editing tools. So that is particularly the part of the Home tab. Next is the Insert tab. So this figure of Insert tab allows you to insert a variety of items into the workbook, from the pictures, clip art, tables, and headers, and also the footers. It contains the tables, illustrations, charts, spark lines, filter, links, text, and symbols tools. Next, move on the page layout tab. This contains commands to adjust page elements such as margins, orientations, print area, break, page, backgrounds, and print titles. It has the themes, page setup, and scales to fit the sheet's options and arrange tools. Next is the Formulas tab. It has all the commands used in creating formulas. It contains function library, defined names, formula, auditing, and calculations. Next is the Data tab. It allows you to get data from other sources like MS Access, web, or text. The sorting and grouping tools are also in the data group. It contains external data, connections, sort and filter, data tools, and outline tools. Next is the Review tab. This Review tab has changes, feature which provides users the ability to make notes to Workbook. It contains proofing language, comments, and changes tools. It is used to protect the workbook. So that is the Review tab. And last is the View tab. So it is contains of workbook, views, show, zoom, window, and macros tools. It shows features on the layout process of your workbook. Like Microsoft Word, you can also customize the MS Excel Quick Access tab and ribbon. So the process of procedure are the same. You have to right click anywhere on your tab ribbons to see the Excel option Customize Quick Access toolbar. Click Customize Quick Access toolbar or click the drop down around the upper right corner of your MS Excel window based from the features given. So the select all commands to view on the commands you can access in the add from the drop down menu. You can choose from the list of commands using your arrow key or by moving the scroll bar, the highlight, and the click add. You will see the command on the right pane. Click OK when done. As the same procedure applies to customizing a ribbon for MS Excel. So again, let us refresh that Microsoft Excel is the spreadsheets. It is a software program that enables you to manipulate numbers and formulas to quickly perform mathematical, financial, and statistical computations. And for the parts of the MS Excel 2010 interface. So we have the File tab, the Quick Access toolbar, ribbon, tile bar, help icon, row indicators, column headers, status bar, worksheets area, view buttons, and the zoom slider. So like the Microsoft Word, you can also customize the MS Excel Quick Access tab and ribbon. The process and procedure are the same. So that's all for today. For more updates, please monitor our eClass online learning platform. Thank you. Again, this is Rinaldo B. Malimban, your Computer 7.